Hello, everyone. I'm continuing on with my hurricane preparedness videos. Uh, I've got two items today I got from Amazon, thinking about some of the little issues we ran into not having power after Hurricane Ida. So I thought lighting is kind of an easy fix. So I've got this LED camping lantern and power storage and some little solar powered like landscaping security lights. So this is probably the most interesting item here. This little camping lantern. This is 1,000 lumens. This is a really bright lantern, and it charges up with USB. So I think I could charge this if I had to, in the car, which if I have gasoline, I can, charge it while I'm driving around or something. And it also can serve as a power pack for your cell phone. And, I found myself going out into the car, running the engine just to power the cell phone. So, that didn't seem like a very good thing to do. So this should give me, a few extra hours cell phone use. It's got hooks on top and bottom. You can see there I'm, in a four-way position light as well. On, medium, flashing, and off. I think you can actually take it apart, but I didn't do that. I haven't done that yet. Why damage it trying to get it open? So there's the ports. So USB, micro or mini, whatever it is in the standard. So I just plugged it into my workbench and charged up, and that's my intent, is to just keep this thing charged up and ready to go, especially during hurricane season. And also, if I need another little power gizmo around the yard or something, this should work fine for that. So I don't know what else to really say. It's a pound or something like that, not too expensive. You can clip it on. It has a spring-loaded latch there, so if you wanted to put it on a line or something, it should stay where you put it during a strong wind, which also might be good for hurricanes. So, casual disregard of a warning tag there. So, okay, so let's go on to the second item. These are little, I think you'd just call them like landscaping lights. They are bright enough to see at night. I think actually they're quite nice, and you can use multiple of them. So when they're all on, they actually bring quite a bit of a light to an area. I've been putting them up around my wooden fence, and it's really nice out there. You walk around at night, and wherever you are, they're proximity driven, so it will light up the area where you're walking, for 30 seconds or something like that. Not too expensive, easy to install, just wood screws on there. Now there is a bit of I think a product design problem here, and that's the selector switch on these. It's behind the mounting plate, so you've got to get it set in the right mode before you wood screw it onto your fence, or you'll be taking it off and redoing it, which of course is what I had to do. I had it on the mode 3, and I really wanted it on mode 2, which is on low power, and then when the motion is detected, go to high power. And so, for hurricanes, if you have solar power, you don't even need to worry about generators. You've got at least a little bit of light with, as long as the sun comes out, you're good. So that's it today. Just a couple of little items I thought, that are useful and not too expensive for people that are in storm areas. So thank you, everyone.